So next is module 2, that is topics in vector calculus. This is the continuation of module 1. Module 1 കുറച്ച് vector calculus പഠിച്ചു. ഇതിൽ ബാക്കിയുള്ള കുറച്ച് theorems ആണ് വരുന്നത്. So first one is Green's theorem. Let R be a simply connected plane region whose boundary is a simple closed piecewise smooth curve C oriented counterclockwise. If P and Q are continuous functions of x and y and have continuous partial derivatives in some open set containing R, then integral over C P dx plus Q dy is double integral over R dou Q by dou x minus dou P by dou y dA. So in Green's theorem, the left hand side is a line integral over C P dx plus Q dy. Most probably this is of the form f dot dr, where there is a coefficient of dx, that is p, and coefficient of dy as q. And it can be equated to a double integral using this theorem, that is double integral over r dou q by dou x, that is partial derivative of q with respect to x minus partial derivative of p with respect to y. So evaluate this double integral along the region in the region R. So for example, use Green's theorem to evaluate integral over C x square y dx plus x dy along the triangular path with vertices 0, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 2. So using Green's theorem, we have to evaluate this integral. So first of all state the Green's theorem, that is integral over C P dx plus Q dy is double integral over R dou Q by dou x minus dou P by dou y dA. Then the given integral is integral over C x square y dx plus x dy. So comparing with the theorem, what is P? P is the coefficient of dx. So here P is x square y and Q is the coefficient of dy. So here Q is x. So P is x square y, Q is x. Then to using a theorem, evaluate an integral means we have to evaluate the right hand side of the theorem. അതായിരിക്കും കുറച്ചും കൂടെ സിമ്പിൾ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ഇൻ്റഗ്രൽസ് ഇവാലുവേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് എളുപ്പം. So P and Q are known. So what is dou Q by dou x? It is 1 dou P by dou y x square. So dou Q by dou x minus dou P by dou y is 1 minus x square. So evaluate the right hand side, that is double integral over R 1 minus x square dA. So which is the region? Region is given as a triangular path, or the region is a triangle with vertices 0, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 2. So here drawing the region 0, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 2. So this is the region. This is the region R. So to evaluate the integral, we need to find the limits for x and y. So first of all, finding the limits for x as constants. So for this region, consider vertical lines at the extreme points. So x varies from 0, here the vertical line is x is equal to 0, here it is x is 1. So x varies from 0 to 1. Then we need to find the limit for y. So consider any one vertical strip inside the region. So that strip varies from y is equal to 0 to, this is a point on the line AC. So write the equation of AC. What is equation of AC? A is 0, 0, C is 1, 2. So equation of AC is the line joining 0, 0 and 1, 2. We know that equation of a straight line connecting two points is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So here y minus y1 0 by y2 2 minus 0 is equal to x minus x1 x minus 0 by x2 minus x1, that is 1 minus 0. So y by 2 is equal to x, or y is equal to 2x. So the equation of AC is y is equal to 2x. So for the strip, y varies from 0 to 2x. ഈ vertical stripൽ താഴത്തെ end to മേളത്തെ end. So the limit for y is y from 0 to 2x 1 minus x square dy dx, because the innermost integral is along y. So dy dx. So first of all, integrate with respect to y. So x remains the same, x from 0 to 1. What is the integral of 1 with respect to y? y. Integral of x square with respect to y, x square into y. Then y varies from 0 to 2x. So in the place of y, put y is equal to x minus y is equal to 0. So y 2x കൊടുത്താൽ 2x minus x square into 2x cube. 0 is 0. So 2x minus 2x cube dx. So the remaining the line